Hello guys, a very warm welcome to all of you in this new episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai, and I'm here in front of you with my weekly analysis on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So the week has panned out fantastically and we have seen that the potential reversal zone has worked like a charm. Now before we jump on to the charts, let us quickly go to growth model group and understand what was our today morning's message like. So let's over to the screen. We have growth model prime group here, and quickly if I can take you to today's morning message. So Friday we have here today morning's message, and this message is a pretty brief kind of a message. I am talking about Nifty range maybe 15,900 to 16,100 and Bank Nifty range maybe 34,500 to 35,500. Market may bounce from here with yesterday's lows being crucial. This was my morning message. Avoid buying options as the up move may not be euphoric, right? So do not carry your options for this particular week. Whatever trades that you are going to take, just ensure that you keep your option buying limited to intraday, or you get into option selling. That will be better rewarding proposition. So ICICI Bank looks good for buying. I am going to talk about ICICI Bank towards the end of this video. So do make sure to watch this video completely. Guys, if you are liking the way we are presenting our Market Kya Lagta Hai view every week over week, so please hit the subscribe button and also share with your like-minded friends. Now Nifty 50, we have a chart here. Potential reversal zone of 16,200 and 16,250 has worked like a charm. So we opened above this, right? On 8th we opened above this, and eventually on Monday we opened gap down below this, and again we retested this zone only to give up the gains which were made in the previous week. So this entire week, as we had predicted, a slow moving correction kind of a thing, all these expectations are panning out. Now after all this drama, yesterday we got a low. Now this low is around 15,800 level, and from this 15,800 level now Nifty is seen bouncing nicely today. Okay, so this is one level where I have created another set of positions at around 15,927, and right now we are comfortably well within the range again. So what is the next scenario that we are expecting in case of Nifty? Now for this particular week, again this important reversal zone or a crucial zone is going to play till the time we are not comfortably above this zone. So you have to understand one important aspect, that as long as we are below this zone, do not be overly bullish. Don't expect that Nifty will suddenly reach to 16,500 or 16,600. For this week, I believe that the move will be limited to 16,200 only. This is what my expectation is up till Thursday, you can say. So 16,200, we can actually keep it 16,300 or 250 we can keep. 250 and 1600, yeah, cool. So this is where I'm expecting Nifty to remain, right? So this is where I'm expecting Nifty to remain for the entire week. Target, if we are going to talk about targets, then just be cautious until this 16,250 or the high on 8th of July is taken out. Once this high is taken out, then next set of targets will get activated, and those targets which we had calculated in the previous week were 16,387 and 16,487. Don't get euphoric about these targets, guys. Understand this one more time, I'm repeating, unless and until this high, right? So critical level, this critical level of 16,275, unless and until this level is taken out, do not expect a very spectacular bullish action. Okay, so this is about your Nifty chart. And immediately if I am coming on to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty broke below our range, but it has taken a support at an important support level, which is 34,500. Okay, so 34,500 is the level where we have found the support, and from these levels we have bounced nicely. Now interestingly, in case of Bank Nifty as well, the range is going to be, we are at 34,700 now. So the range is going to be 35,000 and 35,000 and 34,500. Cool. So this is where I'm expecting the range to be. $35,000 and 34,500. Right. So this is what I'm expecting. Now I'll just drag this ahead of this chart. Again, even for Bank Nifty, see current scenario, it is less likely that HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank, they are not likely to perform a lot. But in this scenario, we are relying more on ICICI Bank or PSU banks like SBI or Bank of Baroda. So these are the banks which are slated to perform. Now this range, unless now there are two hurdles. The higher level of the range 35,000 is one important resistance, and once it is taken out, then 35,262 is again one important resistance that has to be taken out for Nifty Bank to give us a euphoric bullish move above the targets of 35,500, right? So the target of 35,855 is possible only if we sustain above these levels like 35,262, and only then you look for bullish targets. Quickly, let me just show you. So we have a ICICI Bank which is also bouncing from our crucial level of 744. Now ICICI Bank has a potential to reach to 800 levels. Okay, don't be euphorically bullish at this point in time, but then it has a potential to reach to 800 levels. We'll take one step at a time. So the targets that we are going to talk about in case of ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank, we are looking at ICICI Bank chart here. So ICICI Bank is a 15-minute chart. I'll quickly go on to hourly chart. And on hourly chart, see, we have already reached to this level. So the first target that I'm expecting for ICICI Bank is 765, and once it crosses 765, then it's likely to reach to 800. So ICICI Bank is one stock which I'm focusing on currently. Another stock is Bajaj Finserv. So Bajaj Finserv as well, right now it is trading at 11,831, and I'm expecting Bajaj Finserv to reach to 12,200 as a first target, and above this a target of 12,600 is also possible. So this is another target which is possible. Don't look at 13,000 ka target right now, but then 12,600 is very well possible. So two picks I have shared with you. Guys, do well in this particular week. The only suggestion is that we are expecting a kind of consolidation in Nifty. It will not be euphoric very quickly. So you just have to be cautious about your option buying position. So if you are buying options, if you are an options trader, then do not carry your positions overnight. If at all you are carrying positions, then keep your position sizing limited. These are the two tips that I want to give you for this particular week. Do well guys, and keep watching Growth Model channel. Thank you so much.